Hello friends, this is Vishal and welcome back to my channel College World. In our today's video, I will tell you 5 tips. If you follow those 5 tips, you will definitely get 10 by 10 in 10th class board exams. Even a poor student, average student or a topper will also get 10 by 10 if you follow these 5 tips. So without getting late, let's get started. So first tip is listen to classes carefully. This is the most important thing. If you want to get 10 by 10, listen to the classes carefully. If you do this thing, your 75% of the work will be completed. As we have CCA pattern, without even reading, you can write exams in your schools like FS and SS. So listen, understand classes. If your teachers are not good, you can also watch YouTube videos or you can take the help of apps like Byju's, etc. Make sure you have a good command over the subject. Don't think that teacher is teaching a chapter, just think that our teacher is telling a new interesting thing and just enjoy the class. If you understand well, your 75% of the task is completed. Without any hard work, just by sitting and listening to the class, our 75% of the work will be completed and you can get 10 by 10 in 10th class board exams. Isn't it simple? So when we come to tip number 2 is buy a standard guide for all subjects. I have studied a guide called Beyond Textbook. You can take any other guide also. Don't read all the questions and answers from the guide. This is what all the fools do. It is good to know all the questions and answers, but it requires more time and more hard work. And it is not essential also. Instead of doing this, I will give you a short trick. If you follow this, you can cover every chapter and you will get good marks. For every chapter, there will be 2 to 4 important questions. From that only, you will get questions in exam. So, only read those selected questions for each chapter in each subject. This is called smart work. Don't do hard work, just work smartly. By doing this, simply we can score good marks. Simply, I want to tell my story. There was a student in our class who used to study 10 hours will get 10 points. Because if you get chits for languages also, any study related doubts. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment box given below. Okay, until then, this is Vishal signing off. Bye bye.